Hello and welcome to the next tutorial in a series where you create and set up your own SmartiePal assistant. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to customize the design and basic interactions of your assistant. This week we are covering two essential configurations for your AI chatbot, reCAPTCHA security and AI behavior settings. By the end of this video, you will understand how to protect your chatbot from abuse and customize how it responds to your users. First, let's discuss reCAPTCHA, a security service by Google that protects your chatbot from automated abuse. For your AI assistant, reCAPTCHA is critical for three main reasons. First, cost protection. Every chatbot interaction consumes API tokens. Without reCAPTCHA, automated bots could send thousands of requests to your assistant, rapidly depleting your API quota and incurring unnecessary costs. Second, preventing unauthorized use. Without reCAPTCHA, anyone could extract your assistant's ID and embed it on their own website, effectively stealing your service and resources. reCAPTCHA verifies that requests originate from your authorized domain, preventing this type of abuse. Third, maintaining performance and availability. Bot attacks can overwhelm your server resources, degrading performance or causing outages for legitimate users who require assistance. We'll be configuring reCAPTCHA v3, which operates invisibly in the background without interrupting the user experience. There's also an enterprise option available for high-traffic applications with advanced security requirements, but v3 is suitable for most implementations and is available at no cost. To begin, you will need to access the Google reCAPTCHA admin console. Google provides a straightforward registration process. Register your site, select reCAPTCHA v3, add your domain and accept the terms of service. Upon completion, you'll receive a site key and secret key. Keep these available as we'll need them momentarily. Now let's configure reCAPTCHA in your admin console. First, ensure v3 or appropriate version is selected at the top of the section. In the reCAPTCHA key field, paste your site key from Google. This key is used on your website's client side. In the reCAPTCHA secret field, paste your secret key. This is your private key used for server-side verification. As noted in the description, keep this key secure and never expose it publicly or commit it to public repositories. Finally, configure the reCAPTCHA score threshold. reCAPTCHA v3 assigns each interaction a score from 0, likely a bot, to 1, likely a human. The default threshold is 0.1, which blocks obvious automated traffic while permitting legitimate users. If you experience bot-related issues, you can increase this value to 0.3 or 0.5 for stricter filtering. Be aware that higher thresholds may occasionally affect legitimate users on VPNs or shared networks. Click Save to activate reCAPTCHA protection for your assistant. Now, let's configure your AI assistant's behavior in the AI settings section. This section controls your assistant's response parameters, content boundaries, and interaction style. Let's review each setting. Each assistant includes built-in preset instructions that prevent responses to inappropriate topics such as politics, personal opinions, jokes, or other sensitive subjects that could present risks for your business. You have full control over these parameters. In the instructions field, you can add custom rules that extend the preset instructions. For example, always reference our 30-day return policy when discussing returns. Direct pricing inquiries to the sales team. Maintain a professional and courteous tone in all interactions. These custom instructions allow you to align the assistant's behavior with your brand standards and business requirements. If you prefer complete control over the instruction set, you can enable remove preset instructions and define all parameters from scratch. However, for most implementations, extending the preset instructions with custom rules provides an effective balance. Next, You can enable the Show Citations in Responses option, and your assistant will reference sources or information used to formulate its answers. This feature enhances transparency and builds user trust, particularly when your assistant retrieves information from knowledge bases or documentation. You can enable or disable this feature based on your preference for response detail and transparency. Finally, the Human Support Mode setting allows you to disable the AI functionality entirely and route all inquiries to your human support team through the SmartiePal app, Telegram, or the Admin Console message interface. This is useful for situations requiring direct human oversight, such as during critical incidents, for sensitive customer matters, or during testing phases. We'll provide detailed coverage of Human Support Mode in a future episode. As always, do not forget to press Save and apply for your changes to take effect. That completes our configuration. To summarize, you've learned how to secure your AI assistant with reCAPTCHA, protecting against bots, preventing unauthorized use, and controlling operational costs, and how to customize your assistant's behavior through AI settings, including preset instructions, custom rules, and citation preferences. Your chatbot is now secured and configured to represent your organization appropriately. In the next tutorial, we will look in more detail on logs, conversations history, and we'll also cover the menu options. Thank you for watching. See you next time.